गुरुरेव गतिर्गुरुमेव भजे गुरुणैव सहास्मि नमो गुरवे न गुरोः परमं शिशुरस्मि गुरोः मतिरस्ति गुरौ मम पाहि गुरो। Ram 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 Sarvebhyah. Welcome to the Samasa product of Vyoma Linguistic Labs. We shall explore the salient features of this product and how to extract the best learning experience from this interactive self-learning tool. This product consists of 6 modules which cover all the essentials of Samasa. The first is the Samasa prerequisites, followed by Tatpurusha Samasa, followed by Bahuvrihi Samasa, followed by Dvandva Samasa, Abjayi Bhava Samasa, and Advanced Samasas. The first is the prerequisites, which is a free module. This covers all the basics that are essential to delve into the world of Samasa. We shall go into the Samasa prerequisites and see what it contains. This module, which is the Samasa prerequisites, deals with the definitions of technical terms like what is a word, what is a sentence, padam, vakyam, etc. All the lessons here have written explanation in Sanskrita and in English, as you can see on the right hand side of the screen. This also helps the student improve their Sanskrita naturally. These are accompanied by audio explanations in both Sanskrita and in English. Images and illustrations are used to drive home the points. Various games also help students take the scenic route towards knowledge. The games are designed to be fun and rewarding at the same time. The instructions for each game are given within the game itself like this. Penalty shootout, snakes and ladders, crosswords are some of the games which keep you glued to learning Samasa. Now we will move on to Tatpurusha Samasa module to understand the design of this course. The prerequisite course is free, whereas all others have a nominal fee attached to them. Each module is divided into multiple lessons and topics. We move from an overview to detailed explanations. An overview is given like this in either a form of an image or some text. Each lesson is also divided into 5 sections. First, the examples are given as sentences. These sentence examples help the student get an idea of what the Samasa looks like. This is followed by the table. This summary table gives us the idea of the Samasa. Third is the explanation of the rules in detail about the Samasa. Fourth section consists of even more examples to drive home the point. The fifth section is the Tell Me More section, which provides deeper insights into the subject. These 5 sections together help the student grasp the topic in a seemingly effortless manner, as they are designed in a gradual, stepwise manner but provide a solid understanding. All the Samasas are dealt with in a similar manner. Each module also has practice exercises given at the end. There are hundreds of questions for practice and for self-evaluation. These can be attempted any number of times. As already explained, each module has games to make this experiential learning even more joyful. The course end assessment can be attempted only once. It is timed, and clearing this assessment leads to a certification for that particular course. Dvandva, Bahuvrihi, Abjayi Bhava, and Advanced Samasas are all designed on the same lines. Do use this product and revert to us with your invaluable feedback through mail or call. Spread the word among Samskrita enthusiasts. Use and gift this product. Dhanyavadaha. Jayatu Samskritam, Jayatu Bharatam.